A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome in our YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can easily find all the upcoming videos. Today we are going to talk about a wonderful gift of love. A gift that will put your unconditional love in the heart of your beloved. Your beloved will be restless to meet you, to talk to you. All you have to do is read Surah Kawthar 3 times. إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرَ فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ إِنَّ شَانِيَكَ هُوَ الْأَبْتَرُ. After that, recite 113 times Ya Wadudu, Ya Wadudu, Ya Wadudu, and below on the picture of the person you love. As soon as you breathe on the picture, your love will be created in the heart of this person. That person will contact you, inshallah. May Allah grant you success. Ameen. You have to do this wazifa for 3 days. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.